Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at Poppy Bank. Now before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So when you go to Poppy Bank, as you can see, you're gonna have the option to open a personal account. So you can open a checking and savings account, and you can also open an account for your business. So depending on your needs, you can use Poppy Bank. Now, as you can see here, I found some reviews. So as you can see, their interest rate is about 4.3% to date. And as you can see, this user went looking for higher rates and saw that the highest rate they could get was 5.5% at Poppy Bank. So for interest rates, this one here is one of the best banks out there. Now, if we scroll down, we can see here that this user here used Poppy Bank and they credited him the equivalent of 5.24% for the past 2 months, so January and February. So basically all you have to do is simply go to Poppy Bank and then click on personal and simply open a checking and savings account. And as you can see here, for personal checking, minimum balance requirement is $1,000, and here as you can see the interest rate for this type of account. Now as you can see, if you choose another one, it's gonna increase. So as you can see here, deposits, interest rate, so you can get up to 4.88. And basically that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.